In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your Instagram account private after making it business. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile. You may notice that professional dashboard here on my profile, which means that my account is currently business account. And now let me show you how we can easily switch it back to private. All you have to do is just stop right here at 3 lines, then tap add settings and privacy. And first off, we need to switch our account to personal. To do that, tap add creator tools and controls. Switch account type. Switch to personal account. After a couple of seconds, your account will be switched to personal. However, the account is still public. To make it private, scroll down. Tap Add Account Privacy. And that's where you can make your account private, simply by following on that option. That's how you can easily make your Instagram account private from business.